Oh man, the first full-time job I ever had. Um, Let me step in the light. Uh, so it was set in orientation to write down measurements in decimal points to the third decimal, I believe, and that is what I would do. And at one point, there was this team leader. She looked like the big fat chipmunk from Alvin and the Chipmunks, but thin. That is the weirdest way to put it. But if you saw this person, you'd know exactly what I was talking about. So she stops me, and she's like, "What is this?" That's a decimal. I don't know how to read this. And what the hell are you doing in a factory? Mm-hmm. And she starts threatening to write me up, which she doesn't have the authority to do for writing decimal. And she's telling me I need to convert it to a fraction, which is incorrect. And then she doesn't know how to do it. Um, if I recall correctly, the measurement was 3 32s or something along the lines, which is extremely impractical to write down in that format. Oh, and then adding to that, there was one time she threatened to call my boss because I wasn't doing her job. I was at a press where I'm not supposed to move away from what I am doing. She's supposed to print the labels at this press. That is part of her job. Yes, I read the instructions at the press that specify who does what because it was my job to do so. The job that she's not doing. And she threatens to call my supervisor and have him fire me if I don't start printing these labels. And I just say, do that. And she gets so angry she moved me to another press. You dumb bitch. If I have to work in a factory again, I am going to commit Sudoku.